How to make money at 17. 7 attractive ways to start making money. As teenagers, we all thought we knew everything there was to know about money, investing, and entrepreneurship. But as we grew older, we started to realize that some things change and it's actually a good thing. You have been a teenager for the last 17 years and you're wondering how to make dollars. Well, this is what I have learned and it may be helpful. In the past few years, I have made money doing what I love and loving what I do. Here's how to make money from home at 17. Even if you're still in high school. But before that, make sure to subscribe to my Technical Solution channel and press the bell icon for future updates. Do DIY work and sell on Etsy. Etsy is a marketplace for handsome goods, and while it's still young, it's growing fast. It's being dubbed the Amazon of handmade because of its popularity among craft people, but the company's success lies in the ability to connect buyers and sellers directly. That's why Etsy is a great place for teens to sell their homemade wares. Since you are working directly with consumers, you'll likely find that selling on Etsy is a lot less stressful than selling on eBay, which requires more of a middleman between you and your customer. Also, if you're not an expert in crafting or sewing, no worries, you can start at somewhere. After watching this video, I decided to give it a shot. You can make your own jewelry using wire, beads, and acrylic paint. The result will be cute and it would be easier to sell these pieces on Etsy. Number 2 is do e-commerce at Facebook Marketplace. The marketplace is featured by Facebook that allows people to sell their items to others through social network. As of the first quarter of 2021, there are over 1 billion users of Facebook Marketplace, with the majority of these being small and medium-sized businesses. Businesses are allowed to set up a storefront and add a description, pricing, image, and a call to action. The most popular features of this platform are the ability to upload image, add a price, and list multiple items at once. The site is free for sellers, and there are no fee for buyers as well. However, the first thing you should do is figure out who you want to sell to. Are you looking to sell to your high school students, to adults? You have to find out who your target market is before you start. Number 3, become a receptionist. Thirdly, being a receptionist is fantastic. A lot of people don't know that receptionists are often teenagers just like you and some other teens. On this job, you learn many ways uses to help our guests during your work shift. You may get confused by people's name and phone numbers, but you enjoy meeting new people and having interesting conversations. Number 4, manage social media accounts for small businesses. A lot of people start their own business because they love something they do, but they don't have the experience or knowledge to manage a social media account for their business. There are plenty of resources online that will help you set up an Instagram account. If you are a teenager who wants to manage social media accounts for a small business, it's possible to do it. 1. The first thing you should do is set up an email account for the company. 2. Next, you'll access to their Google account. 3rd, you'll set up an Instagram account. Then you'll need to decide how to handle Facebook and other as well. This job is low paced at the start, but you will gain experience in social media handling over time. Number 5, start vlogging of your passion. If you don't already have a passion, you can create one. If you don't already have a passion, you can't create one. I'm sure this sounds odd, but that's the truth. So if you're feeling lost, start looking for something you're passionate about. You'll find it, I guarantee it. Vlogging is like blogging, but video. You can include images and videos. Also, you don't have to have a website to start creating a vlog. Just record everything you're passionate about on your computer and share it with the world. On a vlog, you can talk about anything that's on your mind, or just post something funny that you think others will enjoy. Lastly, vlogs are a great way to connect with other teens because you can talk to them about what you like and what you don't like. Number 6, become referee or umpire at local sports. A big part of becoming a referee or umpire is having a strong understanding of the rule of the games. While you are learning how to do this, you'll also want to be familiar with the basic of sportsmanship, such as knowing the proper way to act when someone commits an infraction or foul on another player. This is especially important if you're a young person working at a game where a lot of kids at your age are playing. Number 7, deliver groceries at doorstep. Home delivery is a good business idea because you can start small and expand your business as your customer base grows. You can use the same car for deliveries every day, making it easier for your customers to rely on your services. You can also use your own car to make deliveries, which allows you to save money. In conclusion, if you want to make money at 17, you need to develop a good relationship with your parents, start saving money, and get a job. A good job will give you freedom to make money, and you can also learn how to be a boss. In addition, you should be able to find ways to make money at any age. However, you need to find a way to make money that will be sustainable for you. You don't want to end up in a situation where you are spending more money than you are making. That is all for today. Thanks for watching.